Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in the channel, please consider to subscribe, like the video, comment and share the video to many groups as you can. Support the platform, it is very important. Thank you as you do so. Yes, I have an important information to share with us. As Mas Kanu brother Kanunta Kanu have this to say. He said disgruntled Chinasa Nworu and his group cannot get any information from the Kanu Ezebiros anyway anymore. Oh, that is interesting. Okay. They cannot get information from Kanu Ezebiros family anymore, meaning his own family and Masnamal Kanu. Outside the one they got before from Barrister Ifaye Jofo sacked in quote, and the one their paymasters, Governor Hope Uzodinma, is giving them. Kanunta Kanu MNK siblings, get your poison ready soon. Wow, this is just, mind blowing, because a lot is going on that people are not understanding. People don't know and don't appreciate the fact that it is not what people paint out there that is what is happening. Many people still believe that the number one problem of Mazen Kano is Simon Ekpa. Many believe that he is not, that Simon Ekpa is a rivalry of Mazen Kano, that he have taken over from Mazen Kano, that he's this, is that. But our people need to understand one thing. Mas Kanu is not fighting for Biafra for his selfish interest or for his family. This is someone that we have known for years, and people know his antecedent, what he can do. He's a no-nonsense person, very highly principled man. Mas Kanu is somebody that is worthy of emulation, and people are appreciating him. Even those who were against him are now, coming to a realization that this man means a lot, not only for his family, not only for Igbo land, but for entire Africa. People who understand what freedom and what development means and what it takes to get to that level knows that this guy, this man, our leader, is all in one. And he knows the activities of Master Wanekpa and what he can do. That was why he recommended him. Although some people are still making, gesture of that, thinking that he's not serious when he said that. But whatever it may be, when you look at the activities of Simon Ekpa and his cabinet at the moment in different government in exile, you have no choice than to appreciate that he's doing what Mazen Kanu would have done, and he stands tall, doing everything possible to make sure that the reputation of Mazen Kanu is there. And his siblings may have one or two, disagreement with Mazen Ekpa, but that does not mean that they are going for war with him or anything. You can see the Mazen Kanu hardly post something against PM, or PM hardly mention him as well. The respect is there. Mazen have never for once, made any post against the entire family of Mazen Kanu. The respect is there. That does not mean that you don't have something to disagree with them, but for the respect of the leader of the people of Biafra, Mazen Kanu, the PM still maintain that respect, which is very, very good. And DOS members have used different kind of words to describe the Mazen family and the members and siblings, of which they are not Mazen siblings are not finding it funny. But I wouldn't want to go into details about what they have done in the past. What I'm trying to say is that he single-handedly, Kanunta here, and mentioned Chinasa Nworu, and he said this, that they are not getting any information from Mazen anymore. And he keep on making it clear that for who DOS members are still telling you that he's the lead counsel until tomorrow. They keep on using that lead counsel on their post, is not getting information either from Mazen Khan. That is coming from direct siblings of Mazen Khan. So what do you have to say about it? What do you think this post represents? Because a lot can be, find out from this post. Tell me what you think on comment section. Here is another news that is shocking, that a place in Imo State, Nigerian Army, Nigerian Security Forces went there and set it ablaze. After engaging Biafran Liberation Army, they couldn't withstand, the challenges and what it takes. and they rush the nearby community and start destroying properties of innocent individual. And this is what the post says. According to the reporter, he said Nigerian terrorist armies on rampage in Biafran land. They continue to burn innocent Biafran homes and businesses. Many Biafran mothers and children are homeless right now. So this is what he said, and I would like you to watch the video that is attached to this picture. You maybe most of you have seen it, but the reason why I'm bringing it to your notice is because some DOS members are twisting the narrative, saying that the people who is behind the burning of the properties and businesses and shops are Biafran Liberation Army, of which I made a live broadcast yesterday in response to that nonsense that comes out from one of the DOS members, Biafran child. You can watch the video. That is a video that I posted before this very one. It is a live stream. You can check it. But watch the video and tell me what you think about it. Hear from the people on ground when these properties was burning, and hear what they said. Then you compare it with what people are trying to twist, telling you that it's Gentle Yahoo that is behind it with some gang from people and all that, which is not true. So we have to set the record straight. Tell me what you think about it.
I'm put this on fire. Then I have a cone of fear. You Raman put the dealer. On where Kefron? On where Kefron? I feel it, Madame. Very much. Hanaba. Hala Salabi. I'm up to the year. I'm a chopper from Debra. You end up at the more people on the body. Daniela, then the shop in the Madida. Look at what is the other side. Be a band to your Kundaka. Then let me hear. This is shop my sister. Shop the other broken. Then everything. Then everywhere. Then in the Damanani. Look at. Watch on here now. Come cause I'm here now. I'm on. I'm on. Then yeah. Tell me what to do. Can you hear me? 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 Then everywhere. I little wine by Reba. Everything.
There's another thing that I would like you to look into. There's a time that the King Guragu said that he's not ready and he won't be part of anything politics. So he made it on a video, live video, and I have the video for you to watch and compare it with what he's now saying about his career and his future and his plan. Just watch and tell me what you think about it.
And the reason why I'm doing this, not because I'm a politician, either because I engage in anything called politics. I am not a politician, and I will never be a politician until Biafra come. Maybe after dying, I will decide on what I will do with myself. But for now, I am never and I will never be a politician. Now, let me bring to your notice. I'll stop. I don't want to get involved in things like I have future. I want to become somebody in our country one day. I have future. In fact, I have political ambition. That's just the fact. I don't want anything that will spoil my future. I don't want to say things, even the ones we have said in the past. I have sincerely apologized and I regret saying some of the things.
Just like me.
Okay, thank you for watching. If you have watched from beginning to the end, I really appreciate that. Thank you for staying so far. Please don't forget to like the video, comment, and share it to your platform and other groups as well. Tell me what you think about all that I've said so far in the video. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. If you're watching from YouTube, from Facebook, please follow my page, comment as well, and share it widely. Thank you and stay cool. Bye bye for now.